Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp web on your Android. So what you need to do is go open up a web browser. So personally I use Chrome. Then what you need to do is come into a URL on address bar. So click up the top here and then we need to go and type in web.whatsapp.com just like so and go and click on go. Now wait for it to load. Now you may not be immediately taken there and this because it's using the mobile site. So you need to go and request a desktop site. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right corner and click on this desktop site like so. It will then go and reload and it should take you to the web whatsapp.com. As you can see, it's now circling and that is where the QR code will be. We can then go and scan it with another device and link a device, and just like so you can use WhatsApp web on your mobile. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.